These rebels are changing the way we work. Get the power to transform the way you work without having to change your workflow. Now all the insights you need are only one click away with Lexis for Microsoft Office.
What are you going to do when they don't need us anymore? Alexis Neely, entrepreneur, author, creator, lawyer who loves mom. And I assume she also loves mom, but that's a whole nother bio. Thank you, Alexis.
Thanks. In the next 6 minutes, what I'm going to share with you can change your life and your business forever. If you open your mind and you open your heart, I'm going to show you how to be loved by your clients and love being a lawyer again. Because I would guess that you don't love being a lawyer right now. You've realized that the practice of law sucks. Cranky clients, antagonistic opposing counsel, and prospects who insist they can get everything you offer down the street or online for a fraction of the price. You went to law school to make a difference, right? And are you wondering if you really are? You put in place form documents for your clients knowing that they're not going to work when they need them. Because you're too busy to keep them up to date, and the clients don't know what to do with them. You're constantly focused on the next new client. You can't develop a relationship with your existing clients. If you litigate, you might even start to be hating yourself. That was the case for one of the lawyers who came to work with me after he filed form interrogatories, calculated when they would be due, found out he was ruining opposing counsel's Christmas, and he was happy. He realized he had become someone he never wanted to be. Can you relate? The business of law can be a soul-crushing experience, but it doesn't have to be. Not when you learn how to become indispensable to your clients so they absolutely love you and are happy to pay your fees. Not when you learn how to stop competing with the online legal document companies and start collaborating with them instead. And not when you learn what love's got to do with it. When I was in law school, my father-in-law died. He'd spent thousands of dollars to work on estate planning documents with a lawyer, only for us to find out at the end of his life that those legal documents didn't work. His lawyer had never kept them up to date. He hadn't transferred his assets into his trust. I thought at the time, this lawyer must have committed malpractice. After joining one of the best law firms in the country, I found out it wasn't malpractice at all. It was common practice. Far too many lawyers are doing nothing more for their clients than their clients can get online. Divorce lawyers file marital settlement agreements and never make sure insurance beneficiary designations are changed in the insurance policies. Business lawyers file business entities and never make sure legal agreements are put in place that protect their intellectual property, their clients' intellectual property from vendors and key team members. I could go on and on about this, but I think you get the point, right? The old business model forces us to see our clients as cases, transactions, matters, dollar signs. For us to see ourselves as litigators and document drafters instead of as the counselors we went to law school to be. No wonder people hate us. We're so busy trying to take care of and wonder where the next new client is coming from on the marketing merry-go-round and the cash flow roller coaster that we can't be responsive to our clients' needs, constantly nickeling and diming them. It's no wonder they think we don't care. It's no wonder there are so many lawyers that are so unhappy, but there is a better way. In 2003, I started my law firm from scratch. Within 3 years, I built it into $1 million practice by reinventing the business model, by becoming a lawyer who was indispensable to my clients, and my clients were thrilled to pay my fees because they knew I had their back. So many lawyers out there are attempting to do it the wrong way by competing with the online legal document companies. LegalZoom, Rocket Lawyer. You can't compete with them. Their marketing budgets are just too big. By offering unbundled legal services and charging just a few $100s for your fees, you're undercutting the value that you provide. Not if you want to make a difference and make a great living. It's not going to work. You've got to do the exact opposite. Give the legal documents away for free. KidsProtectionPlan.com, the slide you just saw, is one of the websites where we do that. We let parents name legal guardians for their kids for free on the web because we know that when we develop a relationship with them, they're going to see that they want something more and that they need one of our lawyers to provide that something more. You saw the biker lawyer up here. He developed a niche. That's exactly what you want to do. Stop trying to serve everybody that comes in and serve the people that you can really love, the people you can really make a difference for, the people whose problems you can solve before they even knew that you had them. When I sold my practice in 2008, we had $9,000 a month of recurring revenue coming in that our clients were thrilled to pay because they knew we were there to support them. That was before we brought in a single new client. So, what has love got to do with it? Everything. Over the past 3 years, I've trained hundreds of lawyers on my 6 law business systems. And what I've realized is that I can give you all the systems, I can tell you exactly what to do step by step, but if you don't love your clients, if you don't change the way you think and feel, you're going to sabotage it. It comes down to love. Your prospects and your clients, they know. They know if you're not providing anything more to them than they can get online. They know if you're seeing them as a dollar sign. They know. We need a change of mind. We need a change of heart. Dan Pink says we need a whole new mind. I say we need a whole new heart. We need to resolve conflict, not escalate it. Solve our clients' problems, not just spot them. And we need to make deals, not kill them. When your clients feel that you love them, when they can really feel it, they're going to refer all their friends and family. They're going to bring you all of their legal work. They're going to forgive your mistakes. You're going to be happy. So feel the love right now. Imagine what it would be like to be truly loved by your clients, to give them an experience beyond anything that they can experience online. Your life would change, and you would love being a lawyer again.